Alright, so now we are going to be practicing our explanation techniques. And again, from my perspective, if you're not able to explain something, you do not understand it, even if you think you do. So I'm asking you to explain what's happening here, and let's go over it. So the first line, of course, in computer science, everything is run sequentially, right? And what does that mean, sequentially? That means in sequence. And what does that mean? Well, we can have a sequence that looks like this, and the beginning of the sequence is on the left side, the end of the sequence is on the right side, and we're going from 1, 2, 3 to 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically we're going in order, right? That's what sequentially means. And if you notice here on the right side, we of this like little programming box, we have got line numbers, right? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when we hit the run button, the program doesn't just like run by magic. It doesn't run line 4, then jump to line 7, then jump up back to line 1, right? It's not like a system that is not understandable. Everything goes in sequence. Everything goes in order. We start with line number 1, we move on to 2, then 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Once it gets to 7, it's the end of the program. There's no more lines of code to run, so it ends, right? It's done. And yeah, so when we say the computer's running line number 1, we say execute, and just like kind of execute in order. When you have somebody on death row and it's their time, you have the executioner pull the switch, right? That causes electricity to go through their body, take their life. That person there does not want to do that. All right, he does not want to take another person's life, but he is executing orders, right? And that's what's happening here, man. The computer program, the compiler, it does not want to do these things, right? The compiler is like the program that's running the program. It does not want to do these instructions, but we are ordering it to, and it will do them one at a time. Line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then end, right? And so that's what's happening here, man. It will go in order. Let's go ahead and copy and paste this into the block here. Take out the white space, replace those funny quotations with these quotations, right? Because they are different quotations. These are Microsoft Word quotations. We want to use ASCII quotations. These are ASCII. Okay. Microsoft Word quotations will break your computer program. So how does it work? It starts with line number 1. All right. Now, how does line number 1 work? Well, we got the equals operator. We have this word, and what's happening? We're creating a variable called number. We're creating a cup, and if you hear that sound in the background, that's me grabbing a cup and slamming it on the desk, because we need to visualize everything that's happening. A cup is being created. It has nothing inside of it. We have the equals operator. That is the hand that is taking the number 5 and stuffing it into the cup. So after line number 1, we have a variable called number with a name with the value 15 inside of it. We move on to number 2, line number 2, because line 1 is done, executed, right? Line 2, we are creating another variable, and this variable is called number, right? Or I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah, we shouldn't say we're creating another variable, right? We're taking the same variable. So this same cup, it's yellow right here, right? The one that says number on it. We're saying, hey, you're not equal to 15 anymore. You're equal to this new value. So what is that doing? It's taking the 15 and throwing it away, and we're replacing it with the string 15, the word 15. So number is sitting there on the desk. This program has one variable. It's called number, and it was equal to 15. It's now equal to the word 15, and we print out the content of number. And what's inside of it? Well, the word 15 is inside of it. So if I run that, you could see here it's printing out the word 15. Okay. What happened to the number 15? It got, we say, overwritten. Okay, overwritten, right? And that's about it for this one.